So successfully delegating is maybe one of the biggest challenges that I see across the clients that I work with. I know myself as a leader, I just want to say, okay, here's my idea. Now go do this. But if I don't provide enough information, it doesn't work. And for years, it didn't work for me. So what I see is use tools like Asana ClickUp or Monday. A big gap that I see people forgetting to do is training their team on how to use those tools, especially on the task management side. So that's going to be a huge piece of delegation. When you're assigning the tasks, here's another piece that I see that are just often missed. It'll be a glorified checklist. There won't be assignments. There won't be due dates. Most importantly, there won't be priorities. And, if you're watching this or here presently, I know this happened all the time for me. I would ask somebody to do something, and then all of a sudden they go, oh crap, that's what I need to do right now because Micah asked me to do it, and that's where I need to go. So I'm going to put everything else on pause and do that. But the reality is I was just sharing an idea, and I didn't even think it would be urgent. I was thinking 2 weeks down the road, but I didn't communicate that with the priority. So my perspective on the task and the person that I delegated the task to, their perspective was completely different. One of the big hacks that I've found in the recent year would be if I try to describe everything in a task with text, a lot gets lost. If I record a quick video, something like this, where I'm just sharing a screen, don't even have to have a presentation, just talking head or sharing a screen and walking through something to describe what's in the task, works amazing. But the opposite is also true. So anytime you need to review something that somebody's doing, have them record a Loom or a screen share of what they built, what they did, how they did it, if it matters, and have them send it back to you. And that back and forth with being able to see it is almost like sitting there in person. It saves so much time and works exceptionally well.